Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to check your iPhone is secure. Ensuring your iPhone is secure helps protect your personal data, accounts, and privacy. Built-in security features makes it easy to verify accounts and strengthen your device's protection. By reviewing key settings regularly, you can reduce the risk of unauthorized access. To begin, set a strong passcode. Via settings, Face ID in passcode, or Touch ID in passcode, and use a 6-digit or longer code. Enable Face ID or Touch ID. Turn on biometric security for latest and safer unlocking. Keep iOS updated. Install the latest software updates to fix security vulnerabilities. Check Apple ID security. Review your Apple ID settings and ensure your email and password are secure. Enable two-factor authentication. Turn on the 2FA for your Apple ID to add an extra layer of protection. Review app permissions. Via settings again, privacy and security, and check which apps access your data. Turn on Find My iPhone. Enable it to locate, lock, or erase your device remotely if lost. Check for known apps. Remove apps you don't recognize or no longer use. Use a secure Wi Fi connection. Avoid connecting to unsecured public networks when possible. Enable automatic lock. Set your screen to lock quickly when not in use within 30 seconds. Check Safari privacy settings. Enable fraud warnings and prevent cross site tracking. Manage location services. Limit location access to only necessary apps. Enable erase data option. Turn on the feature that wipes data after multiple failed passcode attempts. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.